Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, or security advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial decisions. Crypto investments carry risks, including loss of capital. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest crypto updates.
All right, buckle up everyone, because today we're diving deep into all things XRP.
All things XRP, that's right.
We've got a really interesting mix of sources today.
Yeah, looks like a good one.
From market updates, we've got some news from bravenewcoin.com.
Oh, nice.
Some analysis from FX Empire and Barron's, and then this one really caught my eye.
Oh, yeah.
It's a local story. You know, sometimes those are the most telling.
Absolutely.
From michiganthumb.com.
Interesting. Looking forward to that.
So we'll sift through all of it, get to the nuggets of wisdom for everybody.
Yeah, there's always a lot of noise. Gotta filter it out.
So much noise, especially in this space. XRP, it's really fascinating right now.
Yeah, a lot going on.
You've got real-world adoption growing, but this cloud hanging over it from the SEC.
Always the SEC, right?
Always the SEC.
Well, I think that's why it's so important to stay informed about what's actually happening. Cut through the hype and look at the fundamentals.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You got to look beyond just the price, right?
For sure.
Speaking of fundamentals, this local story really got me thinking. It's about a credit union.
Okay.
In Michigan, of all places.
Interesting.
That's now offering XRP to its members.
Wow.
Frankenmuth Credit Union. This isn't Silicon Valley. This is,
right.
Frankenmuth.
Small town America.
So does this signal that crypto is finally hitting the mainstream?
Yeah. I think it's a really strong sign. For years, crypto was seen as this niche thing, right?
Yeah, just for the techie people.
Exactly. And maybe a few, fringe finance folks. But now you have a local credit union in Michigan seeing the value in offering XRP to their members. That tells me we're well past the early adopter phase, and traditional financial institutions are starting to see the demand. I mean, they don't make these decisions lightly.
Right. They have to see that there's a real need, right?
They see a need and they see an opportunity.
And speaking of, the markets and demand, how's XRP actually doing today?
Well, let's see.
Our source, XRP News 21325.txt, has it at $2.46.
Okay.
Up slightly today, but a more considerable jump, 6.7% for the week.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Not bad for Wednesday.
Right.
Especially with those recent Fed announcements. Did you see those?
Yeah, I saw that. That could have a dampening effect on a lot of markets.
Right. So could this suggest that XRPs may be decoupling from traditional markets?
It's tough to say for sure at this point. I mean, I think certainly worth watching.
Okay.
Broader market trends, they definitely influence crypto, no doubt. But we are seeing more and more instances where assets like XRP chart their own course.
Interesting.
And they're increasingly driven by specific developments within their own ecosystems.
Well, and speaking of developments, Brave New Coin reported on Ripple partnering with Unicambio in Portugal. This is to facilitate payments to Brazil. This isn't Ripple's first foray into Latin America.
Right.
Do you think they're strategically targeting this region for XRP adoption?
Absolutely. Latin America, it presents a massive opportunity for Ripple. The remittance market there it's huge.
It's huge.
And the traditional ways of sending money they're slow.
Right.
And they're expensive. So by focusing on these key corridors like Portugal to Brazil, they can really showcase how XRP solves a real problem. I mean, a problem that affects millions of people.
Okay, well, now for the big one.
Hit me with it.
The elephant in the room.
The SEC.
The SEC, FX Empire reports they have a closed-door meeting today.
Uh-oh.
And XRP is likely on the agenda.
Oh, boy.
So, I mean, speculation is rampant.
Isn't it always?
I mean, everything from, the SEC's appeal against the programmatic sales ruling
right.
to the buzz about XRP spot ETF.
Of course, yeah.
So break this down for us. Why is this meeting so crucial for for XRP holders?
Well, because this meeting, it could have major implications. I mean, the programmatic sales ruling, that was a big win for Ripple.
Right.
But the SEC appeal, it keeps this uncertainty hanging over everything.
Yeah.
Any clarity from the SEC on this issue or on their stance towards XRP spot ETFs, I mean, that would send shockwaves through the market. And even former SEC lawyer John Reed Stark has weighed in on this. He's actually speculating that they might just drop the Ripple case entirely.
Now that would be a game changer.
Talk about a shockwave, right?
But even with the regulatory kind of fog analyst sentiment from Barron's seems surprisingly bullish.
Interesting.
They're predicting XRP could hit $5 to $7 by mid-year.
Wow.
Is that realistic?
Well, predicting crypto prices, it's more art than science.
I was going to say.
But I'll say this. If we do see some positive movement on the regulatory front, and if we continue to see this kind of real world adoption that we were talking about, with partnerships like the Unicambio deal, then I think those price targets could be within reach.
Okay. So much to think about. It seems like we're at a really pivotal moment.
Yeah, I think
for
so.
XRP.
Big time.
What's the most important takeaway for our listener today?
I would say this. Don't just watch the price.
Yeah.
Look deeper. Pay attention to that real world adoption, how companies like Ripple are building solutions, what's happening on the regulatory front. I mean, that's where the real story of XRP is unfolding, and it's far from over. This is just the beginning.
It's just the beginning.
It really is.
Well, this has been a fascinating dive. Thank you so much for your insights.
My pleasure. Always happy to talk XRP.
All right, everyone. Stay informed, and until next time, happy hodlin'.
Happy hodlin'.
Bye for now.
See ya.
If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment. See you in the next one.